I only use natural ingredients under my arms as deodorant. Do you know what's in your deodorant? Here are some of the ingredients used in popular deodorants and antiperspirants. Aluminum. It's a metal used to block the sweat glands. It can decrease a person's sweat by an average of 20%. It clogs pores, and the accumulation of toxins from the sweat that isn't being perspired creates buildup under the arms. Triclosan. It's an antibacterial agent used in soaps, deodorants, and mouthwash and other products. It's classified as a pesticide and it's used to kill bacteria when it comes in contact with skin. Parabens. It's a chemical used in a lot of products as a preservative. Other than deodorant, there's some in shampoos, lotions, even in some foods to keep them fresh. Propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is a petroleum-based substance that is used to create a soft, slick consistency. It can cause skin irritation, and it only takes 2% of the propylene glycol for it to be harmful, but deodorants usually have as much as 50% of it. Phthalates. Fragrance is another name for phthalates. You can find it in the ingredient list of deodorants and other self-care products. They are used for their consistency and ability to help dissolve other ingredients. TEA and DEA. TEA for Triethanolamine and DEA for Diethanolamine. They're harmful chemicals and they're even banned from products in Europe because they're considered carcinogens, which means that they're substances capable of causing cancer. But there's some alternatives, like buying natural deodorants that don't contain any chemicals. I use Schmidt's bergamot and lime deodorant, and I even made a video about it. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And instead of buying products, you can also make your homemade deodorant with natural ingredients like baking soda, essential oils, coconut oil, witch hazel, mineral salts, shea butter, and others. I really encourage you guys to do more research on what you put on your precious skin and make better choices when you choose to buy a product. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped you. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for my next video. Have a wonderful day.